Unlocking the power of psychology and physical training in everyday life. Understanding psychology is akin to possessing a map of human behavior. It helps us navigate complex social interactions smoothly. Knowledge of psychology allows empathy and effective communication. It's the key to forming deeper bonds and managing conflicts healthily. Conversely, physical training enhances the quality of life. It's not merely about aesthetics, but rather maintaining good health and increasing longevity. Physical training strengthens the body and mind. It reduces stress, boosts self-confidence, and fosters a positive self-image. When psychology and physical training intersect, a holistic approach to life is born. They together create a synergy for overall well-being. Investing time in understanding psychology and engaging in physical training is rewarding. It's a lifelong commitment to personal growth and health. The power of psychology and physical training is transformative. Embrace them to unlock a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life and to make your life fit. Subscribe to our channel for helpful videos for your life.